guys is super umaw. Okay, wala jud ko na nga kwarta, 20 na akong kwarta, and every one of them ay nagpalit ng mga nindot nga foods. It's just really hard for me to choose. Hello guys, this is your boy MNTV and up for another video. And today's video, I'm gonna show you what we did yesterday with my Supreme Student Council members, because I haven't told you that I'm running as the president of our SSC, which is the Supreme Student Council, the highest form of organization in our school. And I just can't believe that I am the chosen one to be the president. Okay, of course I cannot vlog the campaign itself because we are not allowed to take videos from the school. What I did, I do the vlog after the campaign, me and my SSC members having fun with each other in the new open 7-Eleven across our school. So this is what happened. Stay tuned. Hi nice. So we just finished our campaign, first day campaign, and we are here at 7-Eleven. It is the opening of 7-Eleven across our classroom. Hi Nel. Say hi to my vlog. Hi Larry. So we are looking for buy at Nick. So namalit na sila. And what to buy here? I just... Oh my god, what to buy? Barato. Asa man din barato. So I need to buy this. I just want to buy a Slurpee for 20 pesos. Is this a good idea? Wala siya presyo, but I think that is only 15 pesos, and I will just buy this one. And yeah, this is for 20 pesos. I just buy this one. Ikot na po yung ate namin kasi hindi pa rin nakakabili. And every one of them are eating na. Say hi to my vlog. Just finished our first day campaign and we are really happy kay... Sorry. Wala kayo thought. Hi guys. So I'm so thankful guys. Honestly, 20 lang. And so thankful na pa day affordable sa 7-Eleven. Itong huli, kinain ka ng ibayaran mo ba? Ay, Nick. Narabay pa. Ay, ice cream. Sorry. No, sila ka ng fun. So, nice just spilled off her ice cream in my hand.
Hi everyone.
Michael. Ngayon niya siyang basta vlogger problem.
Kailangan nila i-video.
Oh, kailangan niya maikuhan ka ng mga naitabo ba?
Ano na siya? Basta yung vlog.
These are my co-officers. Michael, the treasurer. Nice, the senator. Burukirgom. Brutal as my secretary. Probate siya agi. Ate as my auditor. Bors as my vice president. And Ate Joy as RTSO. Here are the other officers. President as Senator in Engineering, Senator of Lian as Senator of Criminology, and PIO, Miss Marnell, and also a Senator from Panitan daw ni Kuan ni Nice yung ice cream.
Wala sa ginilang ni boss sa engineering ni Kaban.
Hi guys, my subscribers meet the most pretty girl in Padua.
The piggy girl.
Pretty me.
You want?
Iyak na Trisa.
Kagaya ng suwang
Ano gaya? Ano na mabiyak
Slim. Ganahan siya pinakandid mong nagkakaw. Wala ka pa mention, umanaw man na. Nanaon po umanaw. Hindi mo ito sa kayo. Basta ito.
Here.
Model mo. Ito ang daon. Bigay. Nanay, ipakita ka.
Here. Here.
Gawa na tayo nyo.
Terminal siya ka?
Sige, bye-bye te.
Bye-bye.
Te, bye-bye te.
Police na
Wala sa te. Sige.
Nakakuha mo.
Guys, kung maulit namin tanan, someone's gonna take pictures for us. Guys, SSC out. The upcoming SSC officer in Base 7-Eleven.
Here.
So
Here.
that's it.
Sige, kala.
Here.
Okay, we're going.
Here.
Asa mo ulit? Kuwan mo
Here.
lang. Ni Larissa. Oo. Kuday lang,
Here.
ani? Imo ate? Patungguan, ah. Umakuta ka na di. Kami tuloy, gagaw. Igagaw ni mong tulo? Wow! May officers are magigagaw.
Here.
We're still walking padong sa terminal because we're going home.
Here.
Oh, Bourbon Day, kalayo sa station.
If ever makadaog siya, bro.
Hi guys, we arrived in the terminal and we're going home. Ay, among
Here.
gagian kay ingon si Lord Demi daw nga kuan. Si Lord Demi ang sadan ani kung mawa mi din.
Saan mo lang ko kung ano eh? Hindi naman lang. Big pen! Delete!
Buhat-buhat ang mga Lord Demi. Bunyagan ang pagwa Lord Demi.
Okay na.
I-edit lang to nato.
Okay na, wala na hikay. Okay na, wala na hikay.
So, diri day ko nilagagian mo. Padong raga punta sa terminal. Uy!
Tuloy ko lang. Iyap yun na.
Here.
Nasakay na si Lord Demi.
Bye.
Sige, sunod.
Paduara mo. Kita man sa nagparfum ba ni? Asa ka dukuan? May buying gini siya. Ikaw mo, ikaw may gamay.
Sige.
Taas lang.
Nakuha din eh. Nakuha din ng Rizzo. So, nanandito si Lord Demi. Happy na ka.
Uy, ako Ulaw ka sa ka. Iya.
Here.
Bye-bye! Kuan, nungguan ka tino? Daw, bye-bye. Yo
Here.
guys, so yeah, that is what happened to me yesterday with my SSC officers and members, my new friends. It's just a typical day for us that we just get together.
Here.
But can you imagine in just 1 week we have a band like that? And these
Here.
people are just so diverse.
Here.
I just love being with them. And yeah. Hey guys, stay tuned.
Here.
I am just really thankful that I am now currently at my 10th video, I guess. I'm really happy that I am creating more and more videos in the future for you guys. I'm so thankful that you share your thoughts and opinions in the comment box below. And
Here.
everything is going really interesting in YouTube. And I really love it. Yeah guys,
Here.
so like and subscribe to my channel. And tell me if you want to shout out in the next video. Yeah.